Hello, teacher. My presentation. My name is Marisol Chicaiza. I am 25 years old. I live in San Pablo. I have one daughter. She has 1 year old. I study at the University of Uniandes Ibarra. I study law because I like to help people who have violated their rights. My favorite hobby is draw and the picture and reading books, comics. My favorite food is seafood, especially shrimp. I like to play football because it's funny. Um, in the afternoon, I like to visit the Araque Water Park, which is 15 minutes from my house, and on Sunday nights I go to church. Thank you, teacher.